In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Buy Now button to your WooCommerce product pages. This is a fantastic way to make your online store even more user-friendly and cater to customers who prefer a streamlined shopping experience. Instead of requiring customers to go through the traditional process of adding items to their cart and then heading to checkout, the Buy Now button allows them to quickly purchase products with just one click. It's a simple yet powerful customization that can enhance your store's functionality and boost sales. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, we'll start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your website, so it's where we'll begin the process. Once you're there, look for the Add Plugin option. It's located under the Plugin section in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on it. Now in the search bar that appears on the top right of your screen, type in Direct Checkout. This is the plugin we'll be using to add and customize the Buy Now button. Once the search results populate, locate the Direct Checkout plugin in the list. When you've found it, click the Install Now button. The installation process should only take a moment or two, and once it's done, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. Make sure to click Activate to enable it. With the plugin installed and activated, the next step is to configure its settings. To do this, head back to the Plugin section in your WordPress dashboard and locate the Direct Checkout plugin. You'll see a linker button that allows you to access the plugin settings. Click on it to open the configuration page. Once you're in the settings, the first thing we need to adjust is the Added to Cart redirect option. This setting ensures that customers are redirected to the checkout page immediately after clicking Buy Now, skipping the cart entirely. To enable this, set the Added to Cart redirect option to Yes. When that's done, don't forget to click Save Changes to apply the update. Next, navigate to the Archives tab within the plugin settings. This is where we'll customize the text that appears on the product buttons. Look for the option labeled Replace Add to Cart Text and enable it by selecting Yes. Once that's done, you'll see a field labeled Replace Text. In this field, type Buy Now exactly as you'd like it to appear on the button. After you've entered the text, click Save Changes again to ensure everything is saved properly. Now, let's move on to the Products tab in the plugin settings. This section allows you to further customize the Add to Cart button text for individual product pages. Locate the field where you can replace the Add to Cart text and, just like before, type Buy Now into the field. Once you've made the change, be sure to click Save Changes one final time to lock in your updates. At this stage, all of the necessary configurations have been made, so it's time to test everything out. Navigate to your shop page, which is where your products are displayed. Take a look at your product buttons, and you should see that the Add to Cart text has been successfully replaced with Buy Now. To ensure everything is working as intended, click on the Buy Now button for one of your products and verify that it takes you directly to the checkout page. If everything looks good and functions properly, congratulations, you've successfully added a Buy Now button to your WooCommerce store. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you've made your store more convenient for your customers, which can lead to an improved shopping experience and potentially more sales. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.